Today, we're diving into the essence of a UVP, your unique value proposition. Your UVP is like a spotlight on what makes your business shine. It's what sets you apart from the crowd. Imagine you're in a market full of similar products or services, and your UVP is like a magnifying glass that zooms in on why someone should choose your offerings over others. Now, let's break down the components of a strong UVP. First up, clarity. Your UVP should be crystal clear, so anyone who reads it instantly gets what you're about. Example, delivering fresh, organic produce to your doorstep. Think of it as a business GPS guiding your potential customers right to you. Next, we have specificity. Your UVP should be detailed enough to resonate with your target audience. Example, tailored financial planning for millennials. It's like finding the perfect fit for your needs. No one size fits all here. And finally, uniqueness. Your UVP should highlight what sets you apart from the competition. Example, handcrafted artisanal chocolates with a twist. Imagine being the gem in a sea of stones. People can't help but notice your sparkle. But how do you craft such a compelling UVP? It starts with analyzing market needs. Understanding the needs and gaps in the market is your foundation. Let's say you notice a growing demand for eco-friendly products in Southeast Asia. You can tailor your UVP to meet that need, positioning yourself as the go-to expert in eco-friendly solutions. So, there you have it, fellow solopreneur. Craft a UVP that highlights your uniqueness and watch your business soar. Stay unique, stay successful. Follow for more.